the resin mixed up here. I mean, putting on gloves is probably the hardest part of doing any of this for me, especially the left one. There we go. Anyway, I'm going to make, I have some coasters that have the have dice imprints on them, so I'm going to make a set of those. I think I'm going to do red, I'm going to do medium violet red and cherry blossom mica powder. So this set came with 5 coasters, which I find awesome. That way I can sell it for, this one actually came with 6. No, wait, that's the wrong one. All right, so it did come with 5 coasters. I like having 5, and that way if one of them messes up, I can sell it. I can just sell it as 4. But also, I mean, there's often 5. You have 2 parents, 2 kids. You're gonna have 5 people in the house. Maybe I shouldn't do pink. Maybe I'll do pink and black. Okay, this one's black. But I guess I need the molds right side up. I have another little cup. Pour some of this in here. Of course, I had some glitter or sequins in this that the package wouldn't shut, and so I think I got more of those all over the house, or not out of the house, but all over where I am right now. Another one of the things with the brain trauma is I have slight issues with aphasia. Not related to dementia at all, but I still, words are hard sometimes. I don't remember where I got these little metal spoons, but they're quite handy. I'm gonna mix up the black. Oh my. I have pink mica powder all over. And before I pour any of this, I will spray down the, spray the coasters down with alcohol, just because it kind of helps with the bubbles and the crevices. Okay, so this, it says it's black, but it looks gray. So I'll deal with it. I'll deal with it. I knew that, and I wasn't thinking. Or I might add a drop of black pigment in, I guess. That would work. This is certainly a very bright pink. I am digging it. Okay, now skulls. I do need to, oh, these skulls are kind of hard to trim, so try to not get any on the edges. I mean, the turtles aren't exactly easy to trim, but they're a lot easier than the skulls, mostly because they're big enough to hold on to. Alrighty then. Another turtle. Okay, I actually think I'm gonna have enough to finish that one off. Try not to drag my arm in the coaster holder. I don't think I'm gonna get any more out of that. So I will clean off my sticks. I remember when resin used to come with sticks like this. No, they don't. The stuff I buy, my primary resin that I use just comes with the pump handles, which I can't I don't. That's more trouble than they're worth. Usually the cat gets to them before I get a chance to use them. Chewy likes to steal stuff, and he likes to chew on stuff. He opens the bags of cat food when I bring them in. I have to keep the cat treats in the refrigerator so he can't get to them because he can open packages, boxes, bags. It doesn't matter. He's gonna chew on it. Okay, I guess that's it for this. I'll be unmolding these tomorrow probably.